Let's make a lobster cream sauce together. So you see, we have our butter and our oil in the pan. We're now going to place our sliced garlic, green onions, and pulverized mushrooms in the pan and saute for just a few minutes. Now we have added our diced lobster, and we're going to saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Everything's looking and smelling good. Now we're going to add our coconut cream and our grated cheese. My other daughter decided that she wanted tiger prawns. Here is our noodles boiling, and our tiger prawns are almost ready. Here is our finished dish. What an amazing Valentine's dinner. Lobster with coconut cream sauce. I'm loving every moment of this meal. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day.